Welcome back to Marta from Sparta. Yes, this is a special video on the Thanksgiving Day. I know you guys very busy, so this video will be super fast and super brief, and hopefully you're gonna find, I think I'm gonna wrap it up in 10 minutes, 10 minutes of your day today to join me on this video. It's gonna be a lot of exciting things. We're making 10-minute craft from old sweatshirt. We're gonna visit my closet, and also what we're gonna do, we're gonna test new amazing iron which I just got. So a lot of exciting stuff. Let's not waste time. I'm sure that the turkey is already in the oven and you guys don't have that much time today, so I don't want to take too much time, because also watch till the end. At the end of the video there is something super special waiting for you. We finally made it to my closet. So we're reporting from Marta from Sparta closet. Today I'm just gonna show you part of my closet because the other part is absolute mess, just because we are packing for our trip and all my clothes are lined up over there. So next time or next opportunity I will show you my whole closet. So we're looking for something which gonna be kind of Christmassy theme, or not necessary. I think, me personally, I will go with a white sweatshirt or red sweatshirt, which red is a typical Christmas color, right? Or Valentine's also too. So I'm just gonna find something in use and plain department of my closet, which I didn't wear for a while, and I'm gonna use it for this project. I think a super flashy pink, like a neon pink, will work too, but I really love this sweatshirt, so I don't want to use it for this project specifically. I also have like a plain crew neck thing, but I also wear it a lot for other stuff, which I don't want a Christmas sign on it, but oh well, here we go. I have a plain red with a sweatpants, and I'm gonna probably not touch the sweatpants, but I am not wearing this one that often, and probably it will be fun for this Christmas project. I know I have a white one. Gray would be also great for this project. Yeah, this one. That's another white which I have, and I also don't wear it a ton. And of course it has a puffy sleeves and all this jazz, so I am willing to sacrifice one of them. So let's go back to the studio downstairs and let's see which one will be best. I think I have the feeling that this one might not work because it has puffy sleeves, so if we want to attach the letter over here, it might not work, just because the sleeves gonna be interfering with a sign. So I have a feeling that red one will be the one. So let's go back to my studio. Alrighty, lovely bunnies, and we're back to studio. And as I was thinking when I was walking from my closet, that I am pretty much sure that because this one has a puffy sleeves, and when you're gonna see the placement of the letters, I think that will be too much. I will still try to lay on this one and see how it's gonna come out. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe I'm wrong, but I think that color-wise, I am leaning more toward this sweatshirt, and I have a sweatpants for it, so maybe I'm gonna do some ho on my sweatpants, and it's gonna be like a fun, cozy set for this project. And I'm gonna link everything in the description below. So basically, you just need an iron-on felt letters. There is no sewing involved. And basically you need those iron-ons, you need a sweatshirt, either old or new. If you're making the sweatshirt for someone as a gift, obviously probably the better idea will be to get something from Amazon Basics, which they have huge range of colors for very affordable price, for $19 even. I'm gonna link also those sweatshirts in the link below, but if you're making it for yourself and you have a sweatshirt you can use, I highly encourage you to stop the fast fashion, and if you can thrift, you thrift either from your closet or from the store. And the iron-ons look like that, and it's very simple. You need the iron, you need those, you need sweatshirt, and here we go. You're just gonna iron them, place them. Not very hard project, literally 10 minutes, you all set. So let's go, let's set up my iron and let's play with the placement a little bit and see how it's gonna come out. This video is very short, like a fun bonus video. I'm sure you guys are super busy today on the Thanksgiving day, getting ready for the Thanksgiving. If you are in United States, if you're watching on the other part of the world, then I'm happy to have you in the middle of the week and that you're watching and supporting my channel. Which brings me to the part when I would like to use this special occasion, this beautiful day when we all sitting by the table and giving a thanks. And I don't have that many subscribers yet. I am fairly new channel, and I'm growing, and I am learning a lot over here. But the main reason why I want to release this video is to say thank you to all of you, to all my subscribers, to my supporters, for your kind words, for your compliments, for you coming every week and joining me here, and all your love and your likes and your shares. That means a lot to me, and I put my heart into this channel and I try my best, and I truly enjoy every minute of this journey. And obviously there are ups and downs. It's not just like unicorns and rainbows and butterflies. It's a really hard work. And just to put 20 minutes video together for you guys, it takes me literally all week. I have to plan it, I have to make it, I have to go shopping, buy it, find it, the best way I can present it to you. And it's a lot behind scenes for this 20 minutes video or even 10 minutes video like this one. It's gonna take me probably 5 days just to produce it for you, but I truly enjoy it. I truly enjoy every minute of it. I love waking up and thinking about another project which I'm gonna make, and thinking about the best economical way to buy the supplies and make something which is expensive on the budget, so we can also enjoy it, making it, but not spend and break the bank way. And please don't understand me wrong. I am very grateful for all of you, for every single one of you which is watching my work and enjoying my videos and appreciate the time I put in them for you guys and for myself. Let's face it, I really love it. This is the biggest joy of my life by far, I have to say. And I just want to especially display those who are there for me every single week, because your comments help the algorithm to see my tiny channel and stand out and fight this big channels which has a lot of views. Your love, your likes, your share, thank you so much. Thank you so very much for all that, and you guys make my heart very happy. Every single day I see people joining to my channel and subscribing, and I am so happy because your likes, your shares, and your kind comments, your support, it's best reward for me for all my work and time I put into this channel, and I really love it. So I am displaying on the screen some of the subscribers which are always there. They comment the most, they help the most. Again, as I said, I don't have millions of them, but from the decent group I was able to collect, that's the subscribers which are always there. I always see your names, I remember your names, I'm recognizing your names when you are commenting something. They stuck with me because you are constantly there every week and help me grow. And you guys the motor for me, you guys the proof that I'm doing good job and you guys love what I'm doing. So enjoy your day, enjoy your Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to you and to your families, and I appreciate you. I love you all. Thank you again, and I'm gonna see you on Sunday. Alrighty, so this is the Beauty Queen which I got, and as you see, it's super cute and super handy. It comes I'm gonna move my camera a little bit here on my table. Oh yeah, so this is the one, and it says it's for quilting, but you know, I'm doing a lot of sewing, so it's fun. But sometimes what I struggle with is basically I don't have enough cord because my studio is not that supplied in the outlets, and the way how it's set up, I don't have that many access to the outlets, which brings me to the point that sometimes I'm very limited how I can record the clips, because I don't have access to outlets. So especially the ironing part. Maybe ironing part is actually not that exciting for the video, but sometimes people want to see like literally everything. And this video is basically just ironing. So I need the iron on my desk, guys. So that's this beauty, and it's cordless. I think that's how you call it. It doesn't have a cord, so that's how it looks like. It's gorgeous. It's pretty heavy, I have to say. It's decent weight, and it has outlet over here. So we basically charge the base, but the iron I can take with me for a few minutes here and there. The only disappointing part for me on this one is that it doesn't have this cup which pours the water, you know. So I would say that, yeah, Philips could do better. But this is not a review of the iron. Let's set it up and let's go. So in the meantime, I want to explain my train of thoughts over here. What I decided to do in the beginning, and I thought maybe it's gonna be good idea to do English Merry Christmas, but then, as you guys probably know, I am originally from Poland, and I was thinking that how about I'm gonna do Merry Christmas in Polish, which is Wesołych Świąt. The other thing which I decided to also, it's cut out the felt which is around the letters. I thought it's gonna look way nicer without the felt around the letter, but this step is optional and doesn't change anything. If you're gonna cut out, you're still gonna iron them on as they were produced. So this is just me not wanting the felt around the letters.